Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing curry chicken and coconut rice bake. Yes, it is a one pan dish, one of my favorite things to do. Really simple to do, and let's get on with it. Okay, so into a bowl, I'm going to give about 2 tablespoons worth of vegetable oil in there, right, a little bit of a squirt, and I'm going to add in about 3 tablespoons worth of a mild curry paste. I'm just going to use a tikka masala paste. No need to make this one all on your own. Just buy the store bought. It's going to work out nice and quick and easy. Now this dish is not for a weeknight. We've got a little bit of marination and a little bit of baking time, so it's a really good Saturday night or Sunday night dish. So mix that oil in with that masala paste, just like we're doing right there, and you could use a korma paste if you want to, whatever curry that you like. Well, I'm just going a nice mild one for this one. So here I've got 4 chicken Marylands, and they're going to weigh in at around about 2 kilos ish, well, 1.5 kilos at least. And all I'm doing is I'm just looking for the joint between the cutlet and the drumstick, and I'm just going to cut through there just very nice and carefully. Normally I would use my cleaver, but today I'm just using a ordinary old sort of chef's knife. So we're just going to break those up into segments just like that, put all of that straight into the bowl, and we're going to get some gloves on, and we're going to start mixing this by hand. Now be very, very careful when you're doing this. If you spill any on a stone or a light coloured laminate bench, that curry paste is going to stain regardless. So if you do get a bit of spillage happening there, wipe it up as quick as you possibly can. It will stain it. If you left it too long and you've got a stain, you can get rid of that by using just a little bit of mold killer or bleach that we use in the bathroom. Alright, so into a roasting pan or a oven pan, I've got just all of our chicken skin side up. Some people say put skin side down to start with. No, I'm just going skin side up. I want a nice golden colour on the top of these. Arrange them so they all fit into our dish. Now I've got my oven sitting at probably about 190 degrees for this one. You could go as high as 200 fan forced or as high as 220. Now into that curry remnants, I'm going to add in 1.5 cups of basmati rice, 400 ml can of coconut milk that's going in, and another can of water, just like that. I might even add just a little bit more. I've gone a little bit over what the recipe would normally require, so I'm just going to give that a little splash more. So not 400, probably be around about 500 milliliters of water. Now here I've got 4 cloves of crushed garlic, fresh garlic. You could use the garlic paste if you want. I'm not going to hold that to you. You can go either way. Now I've put that chicken in, and that is cooked off for around about 30 to 35 minutes. And look at the colour on that already. And you can see how much fat and how much oil has come out of those chicken Maryland pieces. Now at this point we're going to remove all of that and put that onto another plate or a tray, just like that, just temporarily. Right? And look, use a bit of baking paper. It's going to help with any stainage that you might end up having with the curry paste and oils leaching out. So be very, very careful. Once again, just look after your bench. Tip all of that rice and coconut milk and water garlic mixture straight in, just like that. Try and make sure we get everything off the bottom. We don't want to waste any of that rice, so just make sure we get all of that through. Just with a pair of tongs, I'm just going to give that a little bit of a stir. Make sure that rice is evenly distributed all the way through. And you can see the oils in that floating to the top of the coconut milk. Right, return your chicken to that mixture once again. If you're careful enough, and you when you take them out, you put them in order. When you go to put them back in, it'll go back in the same order that they came out, and they'll fit just beautifully. Right, so we're just going to add all that chicken straight back in, just like that. And look, the only thing we've really dirtied up is one bowl and one baking dish and a piece of oven paper. That's going back in the oven until the water has been absorbed by the rice. That could take anywhere between half an hour to an hour and a half, depending on the size of your chicken. Those legs were pterodactyl legs. Finish it off with some baby spinach leaves, just like that, and maybe a few pieces of thinly sliced red onion, just like that. And there you go. You've got my amazing curry chicken and coconut rice bake. How easy was that to do? Quite affordable as well. Love to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media. We are trying to get them a KP's Kingdom out there. Leave a comment. Love reading. Love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make real easy chicken curry type rice baked dish like this, well, amongst others, well, you need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my curry chicken and coconut rice bake, and I will catch you next time. Bye.